Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, teachers at Vere Technical High School in Clarendon staged a sit-in today, disrupting regular school activities.
They're upset that one of their colleagues has been charged for assault after a physical altercation with a parent over a school bag.
Jamaica Maitland picks up the story.
There was no teaching at the Vere Technical High School on Wednesday after teachers did not show up for classes. According to Principal O'Neill Lewin, a teacher confiscated the bag of a student who was allegedly disruptive in class. The bag was placed in the staff room. After school ended, the parent of the student attempted to go into the staff room to retrieve the school bag, but was prevented by another teacher.
The parent was trying to retrieve an item belonging to the student from the staff room. The parent was directed by another member of staff to wait at the staff room for the item, and the parent decided to physically go inside the staff room and collect it. And the teacher tried to prevent that, and it resulted in that physical confrontation.
The police charged both the parent and the teacher. Mr. Lewin revealed that the teacher had to seek medical treatment for injuries to her face, breast, and chest area. She has not returned to school. TVJ News was unable to ascertain the injuries of the parent. The educators are angry.
This morning, the teachers had a meeting and they have decided that they will actually be sitting in. They will not be having any physical classes until this matter is actually dealt with by both the ministry and the board of management.
It was hard not to miss the police officers on the school's compound on Wednesday. Mr. Lewin says it serves as a stark reminder of how hostile their work environment can be. The school principal argues that having to deal with indisciplined children is one thing. The parents, however, add a new layer of disrespect.
That is something, as a sore point which we are trying to address. But when the parents actually try to do the same thing which we are trying to get the students out of, then it is a major concern for our society.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.